As you age, are you giving your body what it needs before sleep? Without the right nutrition at night, your muscles could gradually shrink, and science shows it's a quiet process that happens while you rest. After age 60, your body can lose up to 8% of its muscle every decade, and most of that loss happens while you sleep. The older we get, the more important our nighttime habits become. What you eat before bed could be the secret to holding on to strength, mobility, and energy. Today we're counting down 8 powerful foods you should eat before bed to stop muscle loss and help your body rebuild overnight. Stay with me until the end, because the number one food is something 99% of seniors never think to eat, but can increase overnight muscle repair by 22%, even without exercise. Let's begin with food number 8. Number 8, cottage cheese, the slow-release muscle protector. It might seem old-fashioned, but cottage cheese is one of the most effective ways to feed your muscles overnight. Why? It contains casein protein, which digests slowly, releasing amino acids over 6 to 8 hours, perfect while you sleep. In a study from the British Journal of Nutrition, seniors who ate cottage cheese before bed saw a 31% increase in overnight muscle repair. That's not just maintenance, that's rebuilding. And it works even if you're not lifting weights. Here's how to use it. Eat half a cup about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Choose low-fat, plain cottage cheese to avoid added sugars or fats. Add a few slices of banana or cinnamon for flavor, and a potassium boost for muscle relaxation. Number 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Compact protein power eggs are a perfect package of high-quality protein and leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. After 60, your body becomes less responsive to protein. That's why quality matters more than quantity. In one study, seniors who ate eggs before bed preserved 19% more muscle over 12 weeks compared to those who didn't. Eggs also support IGF-1, a hormone that helps with tissue repair. How to use: eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. Add a pinch of turmeric or black pepper to reduce inflammation. Optional: pair with a few avocado slices for healthy fats. Simple, easy to digest, and no blood sugar spike. Eggs are a nighttime win for strength and recovery. Number 6, tuna and olive oil. The anti-inflammatory muscle meal. Tuna isn't just a lunch food, it's a muscle-saving superfood when eaten before bed. Packed with lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, it helps rebuild muscle and reduce soreness. A 2020 study found seniors who ate omega-3 rich foods like tuna had a 34% greater increase in muscle repair overnight. When packed in olive oil, the effect is even stronger. The healthy fats slow digestion, keeping amino acids flowing through your body as you sleep. How to use it: scoop half a can of tuna in olive oil 30 minutes before bed. Eat with cucumber slices or whole grain crackers. Avoid mayo or creamy dressings before sleep. They're harder to digest. This isn't about eating big meals, it's about choosing smart muscle-fueling bites that work while you rest. Let's keep counting down with food number 5. Number 5, Greek yogurt. Fuel for muscles in your gut. Greek yogurt may seem like a humble snack, but it's one of the best pre-bedtime foods for older adults. Why? It's rich in casein protein, the same slow-digesting kind found in cottage cheese, plus it contains probiotics, calcium, and natural enzymes that support recovery on multiple levels. A clinical study from Frontiers in Nutrition found that seniors who had high-protein Greek yogurt before bed had a 26% higher muscle protein synthesis rate and improved energy production in their muscle cells the next day. How to use it: eat half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Stir in cinnamon, a few berries, or a dash of vanilla if you want flavor without sugar. Add chia seeds for extra omega-3s and fiber. Not only does Greek yogurt feed your muscles, but it also supports gut health, which plays a growing role in muscle metabolism. Healthy gut, stronger recovery. It's all connected. Number 4, warm milk with turmeric, the golden bedtime blend. There's a reason warm milk has been a nighttime staple for generations. It's packed with casein, tryptophan, and calcium, all nutrients that promote deeper sleep and overnight muscle repair. But when you add turmeric, it becomes even more powerful. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that protects muscles and joints from breakdown. In a 2022 study, older adults who drank a protein-rich turmeric drink before bed had 32% more muscle repair and fewer morning aches. How to use it. Warm 1 cup of milk, organic or A2 if possible. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper for better absorption. Optional, a tiny bit of honey if needed for flavor. If you're lactose intolerant, use a plant-based milk fortified with calcium and protein, like soy or pea-based blends. Just make sure it has at least 6 to 8 grams of protein. This bedtime drink doesn't just help you fall asleep, it works throughout the night to rebuild, protect, and restore. Number 3. Almond butter. Creamy strength in a spoon. Don't underestimate almond butter. Behind its creamy texture is a powerhouse combo of healthy fats, magnesium, vitamin E, and plant-based protein, all of which support muscle repair and promote deeper, more restful sleep. A 2020 study found that older adults who ate a small portion of almond-based fats before bed had better nitrogen retention, a key marker of muscle maintenance, and lower nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. How to use it? Have 1 tablespoon about 30 minutes before bed. Spread on a slice of whole grain toast or eat it plain. Choose natural almond butter, no added sugars or hydrogenated oils. Almond butter is also ideal for anyone who wakes up hungry in the middle of the night. It keeps blood sugar stable and provides steady energy while your muscles repair. Simple, delicious, effective. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Natural sleep plus recovery in a glass. Tart cherry juice might sound like a trendy supplement, but the science behind it is solid, especially for people over 60. It's loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce muscle inflammation, support joint health, and improve overnight muscle repair. More importantly, tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone your body produces less of with age. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced 33% less muscle soreness, 15% better sleep quality. How to use it? Drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Make sure it's labeled 100% tart cherry, not sweet cherry or a sugar-loaded blend. If the flavor is too sharp, dilute with a little water or a squeeze of lemon. Tart cherry juice helps you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up with less pain. It also supports lower cortisol levels, the hormone that breaks down muscle during stress and poor sleep. This is one of the few foods that targets both your nervous system and your muscles at the same time. For seniors struggling with fatigue, soreness, or restless sleep, this might be the missing piece. Number 1. Whey protein shake. The most powerful overnight muscle builder. When it comes to stopping muscle loss after 60, nothing beats a high-quality whey protein shake before bed. Unlike slow-digesting casein or almond butter, whey protein is absorbed quickly, giving your muscles an immediate boost of amino acids, especially leucine, the key trigger for muscle synthesis. As we age, our bodies need more protein, not less, to stimulate growth. That's because of anabolic resistance, a natural decline in how efficiently our bodies turn protein into muscle. But whey overcomes that. In a 2021 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who drank 40 grams of whey protein before sleep experienced a 22% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, better strength gains, improved walking speed and balance, lower levels of muscle breakdown. How to use it? Mix 1 scoop of whey protein isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Avoid sugar-heavy protein powders. Stick to clean, simple formulas with minimal additives. For added benefit, blend in half banana or a small spoon of almond butter for taste and slow-releasing energy. Whey protein also supports the release of IGF-1 and growth hormone during sleep, key hormones for rebuilding muscle, tissue, and strength. And unlike a full meal, it's easy on the stomach, fast to make, and incredibly effective. This one bedtime shake could be the difference between losing strength slowly or waking up stronger every day. You've now discovered the 8 most powerful foods seniors can eat before bed to preserve, protect, and even rebuild muscle overnight. From cottage cheese to whey protein shakes, each of these foods plays a specific role in fueling your body while you sleep, a time when most people unknowingly lose strength. Here's a quick recap of these science-backed bedtime foods. Whey protein shake. fast-absorbing protein with leucine to trigger muscle growth. Tart cherry juice, natural melatonin and antioxidants for deep sleep and reduced soreness. Almond butter, slow-burning fats and magnesium to fuel recovery and calm nerves. Warm milk with turmeric, protein plus anti-inflammatory curcumin to support muscles and joints. Greek yogurt, casein-rich, probiotic-packed, and perfect for overnight repair. Tuna in olive oil, lean protein and omega-3s to reduce inflammation and stimulate muscle growth. Hard-boiled eggs, high-quality, complete protein in a simple, digestible form. Cottage cheese, slow-digesting casein that delivers a steady stream of muscle-building amino acids. Why nighttime nutrition matters so much after 60. After the age of 60, your body changes dramatically. You become more resistant to protein absorption, anabolic resistance. Your muscle loss accelerates, especially if you're inactive or undernourished. Your sleep quality affects recovery, hormone production, and even your mood. That's why what you eat before bed matters just as much as what you eat during the day. These nighttime foods aren't about calories. They're about giving your body the exact nutrients it needs to preserve strength, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls, weakness, or fatigue. You don't need to use all 8 foods at once. Start with 1 or 2, rotate them throughout the week, and pay attention to how your body feels in the morning. Example bedtime routine options: half a cup of cottage cheese plus a few banana slices, 2 hard-boiled eggs, turmeric tea, 1 scoop whey protein in water, plus half banana, 4 ounce tart cherry juice plus a spoonful of almond butter. Keep portions moderate, avoid heavy meals late at night, and aim for consistency, not perfection. Your body will thank you. What bedtime food are you going to try tonight? Comment below and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. We're here to help you feel stronger, sleep better, and take back control of your health. One night at a time. You're not too old to build muscle. Not even close. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.